It was actually invented by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. 17th century. Is it surprising though? That guy did everything. He was such an overachiever. Today I'm going to be talking about color, and more specifically, I don't know why I did that. And more specifically, the color wheel. Ooh. Okay, don't know why I did that either. But anyway, I have fun. The color wheel and I have fun together. So, the color wheel is not something new. It wasn't discovered by anybody that we know. It was actually invented by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. 17th century. Is it surprising though? That guy did everything. He was such an overachiever. So glad he didn't exist in our time, honestly speaking. There's too much competition as it is. So, Sir Isaac Newton invented the color wheel, and quite accidentally. So he did an experiment called the prism experiment where he discovered the spectrum of lights. So before this, the theory was that colors were only created by adding light and dark colors together. And Sir Isaac Newton just broke that mold and shattered everybody's theories and created this amazing color wheel. Not really. He invented the color theory, but this color wheel, which we see today and use today, is a 12-step color wheel because there are 12 colors on this. And this was created by a German theorist in 1900. His name is Jonathan Jonathan. And he created this amazing 12-step color wheel that we use even today in 2021. Amazing. And in this video, I want to actually talk about how you can use this amazing color wheel in your wardrobe and to create outfits which are stylish, elegant, fashionable, and just to help you experiment and have fun with fashion. Because fashion is about fun in the end. I bought this color wheel off of Amazon for about $5 to $6. I'll provide the link in the description. I think everybody should own this color wheel because it's not only useful for your outfits, but for understanding how to dress up, but it's also great for redesigning your house, redecorating, you're switching up your decor colors, your walls, your kitchen, everything. It is such a fantastic tool. And it is science. It's Sir Isaac Newton approved. Hello, how amazing is that? Love it. Okay. So let's begin with talking about how we can use the color wheel to create awesome outfits. I want to start with everybody's favorite monochromatic outfit. So what is a monochromatic outfit? It is essentially using one color throughout your entire look to create something which is classic, stylish, and so damn elegant. I love a monochromatic look. Let's take a color for example. Let's start with this yellow. I like yellow. Although I have never worn a monochromatic outfit in yellow because I feel like I would look like a banana. Maybe it's just a personal fear because some people really pull it off so well. Amazing. Okay, either you can go with choosing just this perfect shade. It's a solid shade of yellow. It's called a true color. Now choosing just this, awesome idea. You can pull it off. Another way of creating a monochromatic outfit is to choose various pieces of clothing in all of these colors. Now these colors are the tint, the tone, and the shade. A tint is created by adding white to this color. A tone is created by adding gray to this color. And a shade is created by adding black to this color. Now, you don't need to worry about the science, but I'm just throwing in some extra data because I really love it. I'm such a color geek. I love color. So a very stylish way to create a monochromatic outfit is to play around with the tints, the shade, and the tone of one color because it creates a little bit of visual variety, and it also helps you not look like a block unless that's what you're going for, because that is also a great statement to make. Think of like top to bottom fuchsia pink outfit. Mwah, love it. I would wear that, yes. Now, the cool thing about monochromatic outfits is that they create this amazing visual symmetry and they create this illusion of length. So, if you are a petite person, that is somebody who's under 5'3", 5'4", like me, monochromatic outfits look bomb on somebody like you. And they also create this nice visual length that we are always craving as petite. So, along with monochromatic outfits, the other way to experiment with colors is to create a color blocking outfit. Now, color blocking can be a little intimidating because you are trying to put together two very different colors and create something which looks very aesthetic, stylish, and grabs eyeballs. With a color wheel, it is simple AF. Let me give you an example. Okay, I'm gonna turn. It's a cool feature that you can turn it and play around with colors. You will love it. Okay, so let's do this. Let's take yellow, and right below yellow is this violet. Did I get it right? Yes, I did. Haha, 10 points to me. Okay, so yellow and violet are at the opposite ends of the color wheel, making them contrasting colors or complementary colors, and in fashion lingo they can be used for creating an awesome color blocked outfit. Now think of a gorgeous yellow dress with nice violet shoes, or with a nice violet belt, or violet accessories, or like a short violet jacket. It looks amazing, right? The same thing with the same rules that you used for the monochromatic look can be applied here as well, because you can play around with the tints and the tones and the shades of the contrasting colors to create an outfit which is very harmonious to look at. Let's take another example. Ooh, my favorite example is a red and green. It's Christmas. Yeah, this is why Christmas looks so good, and this is why Christmas is so popular. Santa used the damn color wheel. That guy. Okay, so red and green, opposite to each other on the color wheel, contrasting, complementary, and a beautiful color combination to look at. You can wear a red pair of pants with a nice green shirt, it'll look amazing. A green dress with a red jacket, or a red dress with green shoes. And this can be applied to any kind of outfit, any kind of fabric, any kind of occasion, because it just works. So, awesome way to play around with it. Now, another way to play around with color blocking outfits is to use the same rule but to spread out. Okay, so let me give you an example. So, red and green. Now, ignore this green and pick these two colors right next to it so as to create a triangle. Now, these three actually comprise of something called the three color rule, which is used in fashion quite a bit. Now, when you think of the runway, when you imagine a runway, you can picture the models in these vibrant color combinations. And haven't you always wondered, how does it look so good? It doesn't even make any sense. It's science. It's because of the color wheel. That's how those colors look so good. Now imagine a red mixed with this color and this color. It would make such a beautiful contrasting color block combination that you could never dream of. But when you look at it visually presented like this, it makes sense, because when this and this are meant to work together, the neighboring colors also work very well with this. So the three color rule, that is this triangle, is a very high fashion rule. Now this is a rule to use when you are feeling super experimentative and you really want to push the boundaries of your fashion and your outfits. Now let's take another example for the three color rule to play around with it a little. I'm gonna go with, I love how this moves. I'm behaving like I've never used this before. I guess it's just fun to share something that I know and I love. What do I do? Maybe a green. Ooh, maybe a blue green. Ooh, a blue. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's do the same thing with the blue. Now the blue and orange right opposite each other would be amazing to create a contrasting color blocked outfit. Now, if you apply the three color rule to this, you go with the blue and these two colors right next to this orange and ignore the orange. And now, when you create an outfit with this blue and this gorgeous yellow orange and this orange, oh, it's gonna be gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. And it would look effortlessly fashionable and super chic, and you're gonna make people wonder, ooh, she's so stylish, or he's so stylish, or they're so stylish. This is an inclusive space. Excuse me. Now, playing around with colors, even when you're color blocking or creating a monochromatic outfit, it doesn't have to be restricted to these super bright colors that you see on the color wheel or the ones that you see on Pinterest or on runways. You can also use the same science with your neutral colors like your browns, your whites, your blacks, your grays. Think of a monochromatic outfit in like shades of brown. Oh, beautiful. Nice camel shades. Beautiful, right? So I hope you enjoyed my little class on the color wheel and how to create monochromatic outfits and color blocking outfits. I think everybody should own this color wheel. I cannot recommend it enough. There are various variations of this color wheel, but I think to begin with, if you don't own one, this is a great wheel to start with. So yeah, that is my bit on colors and how you can add colors very easily to your wardrobe and how you can experiment with them. This is me, Nishka Yara, signing off. I hope to see you again soon, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel and keep coming back for more. I talk about fashion, styling, tips and tricks on online shopping, and just everything to do with fashion because I love it. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.